Hello everybody, welcome to the Hornet Warrior channel. This is our first video of the year, and today I have a bald-faced hornet nest here inside this tote, and we're going to do relocation here in my backyard to watch this grow. I'm going to put it into this box using some wires to just try to help hold it up until they start to rebuild the nest, and let them attach it to the box. And so we'll do videos throughout the year here, all summer long, to see how big this thing gets, and we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to get started. It's awful hot out today, so we're just going to put some wires up in the top of the box right now and get ready to bring the nest out so we can attach it. So bear with me and we'll try and get this thing started. Just gonna use some screws, attach one end of the wires up into the box for now. And that didn't work out very well. The wire came right off. So we'll try this a different way. We can wrap that wire right around. Kind of difficult to work with the gloves on. There we go. So there's one. Hopefully, if this works out right, I'll just be able to make a cradle inside here, and that'll hold the nest up. I have some glue also that I'm going to try to use. So I've got the nest here in a bag. All the bees are inside it. It's really small, so if this takes, it's going to be really interesting to watch this thing grow all summer long. I'm sure they're a little upset right now, being in a bag. Oh yeah, there comes one. See, it's not in the greatest shape right now, but that's okay. They'll rebuild it, hopefully. Hopefully we've kept the queen in there, which she looks like she is in there. There's a big, very large hornet inside there right now. So hopefully she will stick around. another screw. Just try to make a cradle for the nest up there. And then hopefully they will just begin to rebuild it. Right now they're just kind of flying all over the place. So it's in pretty rough shape right now. We'll get it kind of at an angle for them, and we'll leave it at that. And hopefully the guys that are floating around here, buzzing around, will go back into the nest, and they'll start to rebuild this thing. So there it is, up inside. We'll get the phone off the thing here and we'll kind of just show you what we've got. Okay, so right now, there's not a whole lot of activity, but that's what we've done. We just wired it up there and we'll let them reattach it. See, there's one just flying around here, flying around me right now. And eventually they'll all come back to the nest and get started. There is a couple in there right now, just working on it. See one right there up on the back edge. I can see him, but I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see him. So this is the beginning of relocation, and we'll see throughout the summer how big they make this. I thank everybody for watching, and we'll make another video soon.